各位聽眾，大家好，歡迎收聽 Pantry Talk。Pantry Talk 專為想透過真實商業新聞提升商業英語能力嘅廣東話專業人士而設。我係你哋嘅主持。今日我哋要傾嘅係科技界同資本市場都極度關注嘅一單重磅新聞。Elon Musk 旗下嘅太空探索公司 SpaceX 正式收購咗佢另一間人工智能公司 xAI。呢單交易即刻令 SpaceX 嘅估值大幅飆升，亦都再次引發市場對於 SpaceX 未來會唔會 IPO 上市嘅熱烈討論。更重要嘅係，呢次合併標誌住太空科技同人工智能兩大前沿領域嘅深度融合，對未來嘅企業策略同科技發展都有深遠嘅影響。首先，我哋嚟睇下呢單交易嘅核心內容。SpaceX 作為全球太空探索嘅領導者，收購咗由同一位領導人 Elon Musk 創立嘅前沿人工智能公司 xAI。雖然兩間公司都係 Musk 控制，但呢次正式嘅合併將 xAI 嘅技術同人才正式納入 SpaceX 嘅體系。呢個舉動最直接嘅影響就係 SpaceX 喺私募市場嘅估值。加入咗 AI 概念之後， SpaceX 嘅價值可以話係如虎添翼，進一步鞏固咗 Elon Musk 作為全球最富有嘅人之一嘅地位。市場分析師點睇？佢哋普遍認為，如果 SpaceX 未來要進行 IPO， 整合咗 xAI 之後，將會更具吸引力。一個集合咗太空發射、衛星互聯網、Starlink 同頂尖人工智能嘅公司，故事性同增長潛力都非常巨大。當然呢，亦都令公司嘅業務變得更加複雜，對投資者嘅要求亦都更高。呢次合併嘅戰略意義先至係市場最關注嘅地方。AI 技術可以極大咁提升 Starlink 衛星網絡嘅效率，優化數據傳輸，同時亦都可以應用喺自主太空探索、火箭回收同埋未來嘅火星任務。太空加 AI 嘅融合將會大大加速呢兩個領域嘅發展。但係呢次合併亦都帶嚟一啲挑戰，例如點樣整合兩間公司嘅文化、技術團隊，同埋點樣應對可能出現嘅監管問題，都係未來需要關注嘅焦點。了解完最新嘅市場動態，我哋嚟到今日嘅詞彙學習環節，我哋會教大家5個同今次主題相關嘅財經英文詞彙。第一個字係 acquisition， 中文係收購。意思係一間公司買入另一間公司大部分或者全部嘅股份，從而獲得控制權。喺商業世界，收購係一種快速增長同獲取新技術嘅重要策略。好似今次 SpaceX 就透過收購，直接將 xAI 嘅頂尖人才同技術納入囊中。例句 ：The acquisition of xAI by SpaceX is a major tech headline。第二個字係 market valuation。Market valuation 中文係市值，指嘅係一間公司喺市場上嘅總價值。對於未上市公司，佢嘅市值通常由私募融資決定。呢個數字對公司未來融資、吸引人才，甚至決定 IPO 價格都至關重要。例句 ：The deal has significantly increased SpaceX market valuation。第三個字係 net worth。Net worth 中文係淨資產，指嘅係一個人或者公司擁有嘅總資產減去佢哋嘅總負債。對 Elon Musk 嚟講，佢嘅淨資產主要嚟自佢喺唔同公司持有嘅股份價值。例句 Elon Musk's net worth soared after the announcement。第四個字係 paper value。Paper value 中文係帳面價值，意思係一項資產，例如公司股票喺未被出售前嘅估算價值。呢個價值唔係現金，只係理論上嘅價值，直到資產被賣出變現。例句 Most of his wealth is in the paper value of his company shares。第5個字係 synergy。Synergy 中文係協同效應，指嘅係兩間公司合併之後產生嘅整體效益會大於佢哋各自獨立運作時嘅效益總和，即係1+1大於2。例句Investors are excited about the potential synergy between SpaceX and xAI。學完單詞，我哋嚟聽一段模擬對話，睇下喺辦公室 pantry 同事之間會點樣傾呢個話題。Taylor, did you see the news about the SpaceX and xAI acquisition? It's all over my feed.
I did. It's fascinating. It's not a typical acquisition, though, since Elon Musk is behind both. But making it official has some huge implications.
Right. The immediate effect is on SpaceX's market valuation. The numbers being thrown around are just astronomical.
But what does valuation mean here, exactly? Since SpaceX isn't public, it's not like we can check a stock price.
Good point. It's based on private market trades and funding rounds. By integrating a top-tier AI company, its value proposition for future investors shoots up. This just adds billions to Elon Musk's personal net worth.
Of course, most of that net worth is paper value, tied up in shares. He can't just cash it out tomorrow.
True, but that paper value is what gives him so much influence. What really interests me, though, is the strategy behind it. The potential for synergy is massive.
Synergy? What do you mean? How would an AI company help a rocket company?
Well, think about Starlink. AI could optimize that massive satellite network in real time. It could make rocket landings even more precise or manage autonomous robotics for building a base on Mars. It's a perfect match.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. So this acquisition isn't just a financial move to boost the market valuation before a potential IPO. It's a core technology integration. It's a real game changer.
Exactly. It positions SpaceX not just as a space company, but as a foundational tech company for the future. 希望頭先嘅對話可以幫到大家理解點樣應用呢啲詞彙。節目到咗尾聲，我哋嚟快速重溫一次今日學過嘅5個詞語 ：acquisition 收購、market valuation 市值、net worth 淨資產、paper value 帳面價值，同埋 synergy 協同效應。希望大家以後睇相關新聞嘅時候，會對呢啲詞更加敏感。不妨喺工作會議或者電郵入面試下用佢哋，會令你嘅表達更精準、更專業。今集嘅 Pantry Talk 就到呢度，多謝收聽，我哋下集再見。